Hey guys, welcome back. I found these Sugar Snap Peas grow kits at Target at the One Stop Station, which is the little spot when you walk in Target, and it has all the little dollar stuff, $2 stuff, $3 items, things like that. So I picked these up. I don't like peas, but I figured this would be something that my daughter would want to watch grow. So I picked up a couple of these for her. You don't want to keep these in this small container because they will grow. Sugar snap peas grow like vines, so you'll want to up pot them and probably use a trellis. So here is how you want to put this little kit together. Just take that off. It comes with the seed packet, and it comes with the soil pellet. So I just take a used container. I think this had some fruit in it, and I put that in there, and I use some warm water, and it'll soak up, and basically here's what it looks like. It'll soak up the water and expand, and you just add more water to it. And you can take a spoon or a fork or something and kind of fluff it up a little bit. After you do that, you want to take the little container and put some soil inside of it like this. Just pack it down a little bit. Okay, leave a little bit in there because you're gonna need to cover your peas. So well, here we are, and this is what the peas look like so far. I planted them at different times, no particular reason, and they seem to be doing okay so far. So we'll check back in a couple of weeks to see the progress. Hey guys, I meant to do an update on the peas a long time ago. I forgot about that. But anyway, they are climbing up this Dollar Tree trellis very nicely. So there, I have sugar and snap peas here. And over here, I have sugar and snap peas and sugar snap peas. I've never grown peas before, so I honestly have no idea what the difference is. I actually don't even eat peas because I don't like them. I'm growing them for the family, so we'll see how these turn out. The other one has a flower on it, but you can't really see it well. But this one has a nice looking flower on it, and you can see that one. I think another one is coming there. So I'm assuming that means I'll have some peas soon. So I'll come back and do another update. Thanks for watching. Well, here's the new update, guys, and we have peas. I did have to spray them because they had some pea aphids on them, the little green bugs that apparently love peas. But anyway, as you can see, I've got lots of peas here, and a couple of them look like they're ready to harvest because they are full. This one is really full, so I'm gonna have to pick that one. So let's see how many we can get. Ooh, all I was able to get so far, but there are lots more on both plants, so I'll be able to harvest those probably in about a week or so. And here's what it looks like on the inside. So there you go, my first time growing peas.